Rediscovering Nostalgia, Lite-Brite Classic, Unbox and Glow with the favorite retro toy. And if you want to know more about this product, you're gonna find it, of course, in the description below as usual. And they have the 206 classic pigs, and this set includes 206 glowing pigs in 6 different colors to light up your imagination and inspire creativity. And they have 6 design templates. There are easy 6 to follow templates included, such as boat, unicorn, and more. And they have 4 different light modes. There are 4 different light modes that you can switch between for fun, brilliant display of your art. And they are battery powered LED. The battery powered LED bulbs don't get hot, and the light up the screen for fun and display of your artwork. Three A's required. Okay, and they are STEM toys. Okay, the Lite-Brite Classic inspires creativity, helps children develop fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. And if don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.